Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sasha and I'm really glad that you clicked on this video. Summer is gone. Almost. Boo. So this is a school time, school preparing time, and I decided that it will be really interesting that I will show you all my office appliances and pressures that I made before my school. So this is another video, Back to School 2025. So in this video I'm gonna show you my kawaii office appliances and my school uniform. Because you know, at the beginning of the summer I catched a really kawaii vibe. I don't know, like that. Like, you know, just really catch the rainbow vibe 2012. Like, really. I was 2 years old, are you kidding me? And also I would like to add some parts from my daily life, from my preparing life, because right now, after visiting my grannies, the videos you can see links on it somewhere up right, okay? I really worst my sleep schedule and I really get accustomed to do nothing, so I need to, like, you know, return my schedule. And also I'm right now applying to the exchange program called Flex. Through the video I will try to add a little bit part of it so you can know what's happening in my life and what tips I'm trying to incorporate in my schedule again. This year I'm going to study at the 9th grade. Guys, I'm old. And you know, in the Kazakhstan system, because I'm from Kazakhstan, in the Kazakhstan educational system, we have to pass 2 really significant exams that contribute in, like, in our future and will it be prosperous or not, you know. And these exams we are passing at the 11th grade, by the graduations, like graduation, and at the 9th grade. I'm so worried, I'm really worried, I'm nervous wreck, I'm shaking. I guess we can just start and enjoy watching. I forgot to mention that before this video I would like to see your thumbs up below this video, or you can also click on the bottom subscribe. Also, I would so appreciate your feedback in the comments below and maybe suggested by you some themes for a new video. Let's finally start. So the first thing that I want to talk about is office appliances. I really like to buy office appliances. I don't know why. Like, I have my own journal, as I mentioned in the videos before, and I really like to make pages there. Oh my god. So the first thing that I want to show you is my backpack. This is so, oh my god, he's so heavy because it's full of all school appliances, but just look how cute it is, like, really. You can see Labubu here. I'm in trance. Oh, this is a lever pink backpack. I was dreaming about that. Oh my god. I really like pink. Like, I'm really like pink. I'm fond of pink. This is not my favorite color, by the way. I don't know why I have a lot of pink things. Maybe this is my favorite color already. Who knows? So I was really searching for the especially lever bag because I'm sick of this typical bags like made it from textile, because I don't know, I just wanted to be like fancy, to be extremely slay. Last year I was going with a bag that located above my shelf. I will show it right now. I'm frequently right now taking it to my classes, additional classes except school, but it was pretty uncomfortable to carry all these heavy copybooks and textbooks in there because, you know, we had a handle there but it broke. Okay, so I was searching for something similar. I really wanted to take a bag to my school to be like fancy, to be like Barbie, you know, but like taking all this heavy stuff, this is really uncomfortable. And we also have to take the second part of shoes to our school and PE gloves and stuff like that because we don't have shelves in our school, okay? Not like in American school. That's a pity, honestly. We went to the shop with our parents and I just saw this and I said that, "Mommy, please, I will put a lot of keychains here, and I will be a kawaii bomb in my school, and I will be blamed because nobody right now like kawaii. And she accepted. Labubu, of course. Labubu. This is a fake Labubu from the AliExpress, by the way. My nose is running. I'm so sorry. I don't know how I managed to get a flu before school. Just straight before school. Like, I don't know. So let's just watch what do we have inside. We have a folder. Not a pink folder, unfortunately, but it's rainbow. So we have a lot of copybooks there. Let's open. And of course they are pink colored. Like, what did you expect? Oh my god. Like, you can see in what mood I was. Like, first, second, dogs. Oh, this is not a pink. This is on Russian. This is for geography. We have a egg yolk here. A cat. Look how cute it is. I'm fond of this stuff, guys. Really, like really. And this one. And this is not all. I also ordered additional copybooks. So they are also really colorful. Really tricky. So let's just watch these copybooks. The first one with camels, pink, also pink. The second one with corgi and herds. Oh my god, I'm fond of this kind of stuff, guys. Like, really. The next one with unicorns, with flamingos, and with avocados. Also, I bought a new journal because my old journal that I showed you in the previous videos, Alexandra's book, my book, ended up already. We don't have enough place here. Like, you can see the last page, I just made it. So we are gonna start another one from the next year, from the next school year. This is my new journal. It's really suitable and comfortable because you can take out the pages, clay everything you want to, and put them again. So yeah, weirdo. I'm weirdo. I'm kawaii weirdo. I'm kawaii potato. So guys, this is all of my textbook. I don't have enough hands to show you all, but this is all of my textbooks that I mentioned before. And let's continue with the office appliances and show especially pens, pencils, and watercolors. So I have already ordered a new pencil case, but I haven't received the order yet because the delivery was delayed on the Temu. You betrayed me, it was a fraud. But I will show you a picture. This is also pink. And I also ordered a keychain for this pencil case with Fluttershy. So I guess we should start with the most boring ones and add up with the most interesting to like increase your interest in this video. Okay. First one that I want to show you is just a pens, just pens. They are not so aesthetic, just simple pens. A red pen for conspects. So black pens. One really interesting pen that looks like a Fluttershy. This is a pony. We have first set of pastel markers for the conspects. The second one set of pastel markers. I'm really addicted of them. And the third, last already, set of markers. Then, as I mentioned in the videos before, I'm adapting not only the similar school but also art school. So for my art school, I asked my mom to order me a new spirit markers because I was out of them and they all dried up. So guys, and this is all about office appliances that I had. And right now let's start with the most interesting part, I guess, and this is gloves. So the first outfit that I'm gonna show you guys, this is outfit that I will wear on my first day at school. Look how adorable is it? Like, I'm not bragging, but please sit on your knees. You're my slave. Just look at this shirt. Just look at this diva. Oh my god. I'm looking like I'm a royal family. Please, Princess Diana, go out from the stage. The new queen is going. Like, just look how cute it is. Like, wear it in any ways you want to. I just can't describe how this is looking. Like, really good. And so I don't know why the teachers in our school like so strict about the longest, no, like tallest, I don't know, the size of our skirts. They're telling that your skirt should be under your knees. But you know, shut up. I am skinny. I have beautiful legs and I will show it for all school. I don't care about your opinion. Yes. So under this shirt we actually have like this top, you know. And I already understand it. The uniform in my school is gray color. I don't know why, like they just decided to do that. So we just have to wear gray, okay? So the jacket is, this jacket is so much bigger than my actual size because this is my mother's old jacket. She was wearing it, then she was pregnant, like, okay. But anyways, right now our size is modern, so why not? This also looks pretty good. I really like how this looks and I look like a mommy. I become to buy this school, okay? Please park my car here. Where's my case? So guys, I've worn a shirt. This like just a simple shirt with short sleeves. I just wanted to show you the jacket that was given us by our school as a school uniform. I hate this jacket so much. I have the waiter in it, but anyways, like, okay, this is just a simple shirt and we can also make it like a corset because we have a rope here, like that. Woof. Also, we have to put a pin there with the logo of our school. This is the logo of our school. So we're gonna put it here or here. But so the next top is like that. I forgot how does it called in English, honestly. But I like how does it looks. It looks like a simple t-shirt. Next, this is a sweater. This is a gray sweater that I'm wearing. I'm usually wearing it with trousers that I will show you because it doesn't really match with this skirt, you know. I was asking our principals, like, can we wear sweaters if it's cold? Because sometimes on the winter it can be really cold in our school. And they just said that yes, but only gray colors. So I bought it. Here. Then I have actually already clothes for the cold winter. So we have this skirt. This skirt is really warm. Like you can see, it's like a blanket. And you can wear it, then it's winter time, so your body will not freeze. I also want to show you the sweater that we have here. So let's wear it. Hopla! Ta-da! Just a plain sweater that I can also wear with short if I want to have like a wrinkles here. Yeah, and I'm gonna wear the sweater with that skirt that I just showed you. Then it will be a winter time. And also to this outfit I have a socks, special socks for legs to keep them warm. And they are also going to look so cute because I have the adorable shoes that I will show you soon. And the last one thing that I wanted to show you guys, as you can see, I'm just really lazy already. I'm really tired. I don't know why, like wearing clothes is so exhausting, okay? I don't know what to say about them. They are just existing and that's all. And they are also so much bigger than my size because I bought them a long time ago that I was a little bit bigger. I'm thirsty. So, I guess this is all for my school pressures right now. Also, as I promised you in the beginning of the video, I will add some clips from my daily life, what I'm doing right now, how I'm preparing to my educational process. So yeah, let's just watch. Okay guys, I want to tell you that like happening in my life recently. So it's almost the start of the school year, and I guess everybody knows who lives in Kazakhstan. We have like a flex program that provides its finalists studying in the one school year in the USA, and I'm really determined to do that. I'm studying every day, and I have so much things to do. Also, like, oh my god, like tomorrow I will apply and I will have to write 3 essays for 3 words in 5 days, and I will spend all these days. And I also need to make my vlog. I also need to prepare to the 9th grade and stuff like that. And oh my god, I need to also end my art projects like that I'm doing right now. So oh my god, I'm really like exhausted, but I'm also feeling proud. And tomorrow will be the day that I will start, and I'm really like worrying about. It makes me nervous wreck, really. Like I know that I can do that because I have practicing a lot. I have been practicing for a long time, and I paid for the special course that are preparing you for this program. But anyways, like this is so stressful. Oh my god. So guys, I have already applied, made all of my essays, and we are submitting our application. Important, all notices will be sent to the email address that you provided in the round 1 application. If you change your email address, please notify American consuls at the email address for your country that is shown below. Whenever you contact American consuls, include the following information in your message. Yay! And right now, it's finally the end. I have shown you all, probably. So this is gonna be all for this video right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was interesting for you to see all my outfits and all my pressures for the school, and maybe you found something that you forgot to buy to your school. I'm wishing you luck in the new school year if you're a student. I'm wishing you luck in your university year if you're a university student. I also wish you luck on your work if you're adult, but I think that nobody from adults except my parents are watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like button below this video, and also don't forget that you can write your ideas for videos in the comments below. Also, don't forget about my social medias that you also can see in the description below this video or in the description of my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.